Yo, what's happening? What up, my people? So, got this unboxing to do. Got these in this morning. So, without no further ado, pow. This is something I've been wanting a long time, man. I've been wanting these for, I want to say since before October, whenever I first seen clips of them and stuff. Been wanting these, and I keep my collection going. I've been collecting these certain shoes for a good minute, and I have not got a pair of these till now. And I'm gonna tell you how I came across this pair while I'm unboxing. I did my last video, and I unboxed the Jordan 13 Olives, and I put on the video. I mentioned I was like, if you have these certain shoes for a good price or in the size or whatever, holla at your boy to a certain price or whatever, and somebody hit me up, man. Shout out Ayo Juice, man, for hooking the brother up, man. I appreciate this so much. But let me get these up out of here. Open this up right here. See the big box. Big ass box. Shit. Got the box, the paper, the shoe. Hey, man, I've been wanting these for the longest time. If you follow my channel, you know I've been talking about these forever, and I was like, man, I want to catch these for a decent price or whatever, and I can never catch them for what I want them for. Man, homeboy hooked a brother up. Ayo Juice, man, salute to you, my brother. I appreciate this. And these, them LeBron 15s. Is that the old light gray colorway? It's not the ashes, but with the light gray. Hey, these are dope right here. Shit, Cleveland plays Boston tonight. We going on the road. Going on the road and going to beat these busters. Going to mess with Bean Town. So hopefully we kick their tail. Got their gold check on there. Shit, I'm gonna give you more details. I'm gonna move my my operation to give you clearer details on the shoe. I'll be right back. I want to give a real clear view of these. Figure outside lighting would be a little better. So this right here, you done seen this shoe a million times before, but I just want to show you. They got that battle knit upper. Just try to get my review on, since I never got the chance to, because I've been waiting all year to get my pair. But they got that battle knit upper. Got these rope laces, nothing special right there. You know they got a one booty system, so it's comprised of just one thing put together. Got that design, goes all the way up to the tongue. Got that 15 underneath the tongue. That 23 on the front. Got that LeBron, that King logo right there. I really like that gold Nike check in the back. I think that's a real nice touch, because it's such a simple shoe, but just that little hint of gold adds a little spice to it, adds a little kick to it. It's like a meal, and you put a little pepper in there or something. But got that gray midsole, but it's a simple gray. It looks a little bit lighter though, just to diversify it up a little bit. They have that dark anthracite type gray in the back around the gold check. I really like, by the zoom units, they have some speckles all around the units. I really like that right there. That's a nice touch. And speaking of the zoom units, you see it comprised of 3 pods at the bottom, but you've been knowing that, and it's supposed to be stretchy and stuff. Shit, they don't been as simple as they make it look. Shit, you had to put a little a little elbow grease into it, but shit, I ain't trying to bend them all up. But good thing about this shoe, you ain't really got to worry about creases. That's a nice touch. You ain't got to worry about no creases. Just make sure nobody don't drop no knife on your stuff or get mad if your girl mad at you. She can cut these up real simple, and they done. But other than that, shit, in the grip on this seem like that'll hold the court pretty good. Some people, I've seen some people say this is not a real good hooping shoe. I guess they don't feel protected because the booty system is kind of flimsy or whatever. But people wear lows. People wear like the Hardens and stuff, and Kobe had a lot of lows and stuff, and people hooping that. So I don't see why this is such a system that people had issue with in the hooping aspects. I guess whenever something is over your ankle, you expect it to hold it a little bit better. But whenever it's a low, I guess you prepare to not have that support. Maybe that's what it is. But shit, I'm gonna do an on foot and let y'all peep them out. And that's it. Finished doing the video, and shout out one more time to AO Juice for coming through. Man, I got these for a bill, man. And this is basically brand new, man. So I appreciate that very much. I hope I didn't cut you too much. I hope you got them for a deal. I would hate that you bought them for 200 and I got them for half and stuff. But I appreciate you helping a brother out. And shit, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. I let your boy. Peace out. Go Cavs. We got this tonight. I hope.